how to make a private TikTok account. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Privacy. Here, you need to enable Private Account. You have now successfully switched to a private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. You will now see the private account banner at the top of your profile. Following these steps, you can easily make a private TikTok account. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.